Bone Crusher, which I think I like happened upon it on a menu recently, and I was like, that looks really good. I did some research. I found out that Frederick Yarm, Boston-based bartender and cocktail writer who wrote 2 Boston cocktail books. It's like Drunk and Told is one of them. Fantastic dude. I talk with him online every now and again. He has a blog called Cocktail Virgin with the virgin crossed out slut. And he tells the story about a cocktail called a Bone Crusher, which was done as a group effort cocktail at Drink in Boston around 2008. Drink was one of the very kind of like first, or like in a group of the, like, I think it was really one of the very first like Boston cocktail programs that were taken really seriously. It was headed up by Ezra Starr for a long time. She has parted ways with them, gone to Hong Kong, and now she has a bar called Mostly Harmless and a couple other bars that she's doing there. That's it. That's what I got for you, the Bone Crusher. Oh, and then also when I was reading a little bit about the cocktail on the blog, he was saying how sometimes the group concept comes about because nobody can pinpoint who actually created the cocktail because they were all drunk while creating it, basically. He said it more eloquently than me, though. He said like sometimes I'm paraphrasing here, but he said something like details lost in the vapors of work or something. I don't know. It was very visual. I liked it a lot. He's a good writer. You should check out his books. I have to clean a tin, I think. I gotta clean a tin and then we'll make this cocktail. Oh, all right. It's gonna be a very simple cocktail here. And I'm gonna gussy it up with one more thing because I'm cool like that. Are you excited, Marius? Are you so excited? We're gonna do ½ an ounce of lime juice. We're gonna do ½ an ounce of simple syrup. 4 dashes of Satan's Tears spicy tincture. And we're gonna do about a nickel-sized dollop of Sriracha and 2 ounces of Mezcal. I can already tell this is gonna be good. And honestly, the juxtaposition of Sriracha, spicy tincture, and Mezcal is gonna be and then we're just gonna double strain. Cheers. Fucking fantastic. And a little bit spicy, which I really like. The spice notes and the kind of savoriness of the Sriracha go really well with the Mezcal, but then the Mezcal that we used, which is a Espadin mix. It's an Espadin and Barril mix. It has an earthiness to it, but it also has a lot of citrus notes to it, which go really well with the lime. And then those Satan's Tears spicy tincture just like knocked up the spice a little bit. You get some back palate spice, but it's not gonna kill you. It's not like a Hot Ones interview or anything. It's nice, bright, refreshing, but also a little bit savory and really good. So there it is, the Bone Crusher.